In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an inventory item in QuickBooks. This process is fundamental for managing your business's bookkeeping efficiently, particularly when you need to declutter your inventory records. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step to ensure clarity and ease. First, let's get started by heading over to QuickBooks and logging into your account. Remember, you'll need your email or username and password handy. It's always a good idea to keep your login credentials secure. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of QuickBooks. From there, we need to navigate to the inventory section. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Find and click on the option that says Inventory. This section is crucial for anyone managing products and services within their business through QuickBooks, and will take you to a page where all of your inventory-related tasks can be managed. Now, once you've clicked on Inventory, you'll see a panel where all your products and services are neatly listed. Each product will have various details attached, allowing you to keep track of what's available or what needs replenishing. Our goal today is to make one of these products inactive, effectively removing it from your active inventory list. Go ahead and browse through your list to find the specific product you wish to remove. Click on the product to select it. You should see a highlighted indication that your product is currently selected. This helps ensure you're working with the correct item and avoids accidental errors. Once you've selected your product, look to the right side of this line item where you'll see a small arrow icon. Click on it. This arrow reveals additional options that are available for the chosen product, and one of these options will help us accomplish our task today. In the drop-down menu, which appears when you click the arrow, you'll need to choose Make Inactive. This is the option that will effectively remove the item from your active inventory. A dialog box will pop up as a confirmation message. It's QuickBooks' way of double-checking with you to make sure you really want to proceed, which is helpful if you're working at a fast pace. If you're sure about your decision, click Make Inactive once again. At this point, the system will process your request, and you'll see a confirmation message appear on the screen. The message will read, "You made one items inactive." This instant feedback lets you know that your inventory update was successful. And that's it. You've successfully removed an item from your active inventory list in QuickBooks. As always, managing your inventory efficiently can have significant impacts on the day-to-day operations of your business, and QuickBooks simplifies that process immensely. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.